Didn't get nearly as far as I wanted to get, but this is where we're at. This door's fought me the whole way. You cut that, made us a little place for our hinges to live. I'm not going to touch that one because it will fall off. That's how the whole day has been. But you can see with this one, I've got it clamped. This part is what welds to the truck, and that's what we let's try it. Let's get all the way down like that. When the door is open, and then when the door is closed, it will live up in there. Don't fall. And this is what we're mimicking right here. Just kind of roughly where I got all my, the measurements. That's the stock door that I cut those out of. So it's looking to me like it's going to work so nicely. And then I'll get it, of course, like I always say, I'll get it all dressed up, looking nice, get paint on it. You won't even know I was here. It's been quite a day. Quite a day. Later.